Hey. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. Lady Bird, accept happiness and good fortune. Archangel Primalik. Ladybugs, do a search on what that means for you. I believe that good things will happen to me and to you. If you say it out loud, believe it, it will be true. Number 8, coming soon. Welcome to the next ascending age. What else do we need to see and hear today? Number 38, spirit, relationships, intuition, connection, signs, inspiration. Blocked, disconnected, burnout, and scared. What can you release today to help you move forward? Courage. Divine courage is not the absence of fear, but a nudge that says, keep going. Do it. Don't worry. All will be well. You have to get quiet enough to hear it. Dear Divine, may I feel your courage and your will. Share a small act of kindness today. Think about a time when you received some kindness from a stranger. How did that kindness make you feel? How did it shift your outlook? Send thanks to the person who gifted it to you. Decide how you will pay that kindness forward to another person. Inner child, allow me to give compassion and love to that little one. Let me attend to its deepest needs and feelings. What does your inner child need today? And every day? Every day it could be different. Just learn to listen to what it needs. Number 22. Focus. What you focus on grows. And our last card for today, before we go to our quotes. Ceremony, ritual, celebrate, and devotion. Maybe it's time to create a new ritual. Alrighty, let's do this cute little box today. Time spent with the right person feels like a vacation from the world. Life is a series of thousands of teeny miracles. Pay attention and notice them. Be the things you loved most about the people who are gone. People that love you care about how they make you feel. The end. Do not listen with the intent to reply, but with the intent to understand. Encouraging someone to be entirely themselves is the loudest way to love them. And the last one today. Repeat after me. I'm allowed to do what's best for me, even if it upsets people. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.